A total of 6 brands at BH Gallery. All this is happening for 2 days. That is today and tomorrow. In collection, they have something beautiful for summers. You will get festive wear, some quirky collection, everyday clothes, cotton collection, kaftans and what not. To complement all your looks, they have beautiful options in summer and vacation jewelry also. So what are you waiting for? If you want to check out the collection in detail, you know what you have to do. Swipe left.
Studio Almario. Today we have menswear collection.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Menswear
Nice.
shirts.
Absolutely. They can wear these for vacation outings. All right.
For summer.
Right. Okay. Rayon shirts માં પણ options. All
Yes,
right.
colors and size customization available.
Okay.
Then we have
Okay. Nice.
this 100% pure mud.
Okay.
In that we have flowy dress.
All right.
You will get that with the sleeves and sleeveless.
Okay.
both.
Both the options are available.
Then we have pure cotton.
Okay.
Polka dress. Then we have boho dress.
All right.
Yes. Then we have gowns. Then coat sets.
Lovely. So समर एसेंशियल्स आपको सारे यहाँ पे मिल जाने वाले हैं. This is brand Studio Armario for all of you.
Hello, this is Jill from Shari Dhaga. We have here entire range of collection like summer to wedding collection. We have something like I am wearing. We have this
Okay.
kind of a summer cord set.
All right.
Then we have semi-festive cord sets as well.
Nice.
We have two-tone cord sets as well in the pure Chanderi collection.
Okay.
Then we have semi-festive dresses as well.
All
Matta
right.
set. This all can be customized in different colors and the sizes as well.
Okay.
Light block.
Nice. I'm loving the color pattern also.
These are very
Something in
new
dual
collection in
tone.
the two colors.
Right.
Like this.
Beautiful.
And specifically our hot selling Kota Doria dresses
Okay.
in a Bandhani collection. Like this.
Nice. Okay. Beautiful.
This all can be wear with the pants as well and as a one.
समर वेकेशन के लिए अगर आप बहुत ही कूल एंड क्वर्की इयरिंग्स या ज्वेलरी का ऑप्शन ढूंढ रहे हो देन दिस इज द राइट ब्रांड फॉर यू. दिस इज ब्रांड अनंता क्रिएशंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. दे हैव लवली ऑप्शंस इन ज्वेलरी व्हेन इट कम्स टू इयरिंग्स, बीडेड neck pieces. They have so many options. Along with that, they have these type of loosers and chokers which you can wear in multiple ways. They have beautiful options in these fusion earrings as well. उसके साथ साथ उनके पास बहुत ही cute and delicate options in neck pieces भी है. Look at this very nice and stunning piece. They have piece perfect for your vacation or your outings for this summer. So many options in these as well. थोड़ा सा डोकरा आर्ट भी है उनके पास यहाँ पे. What I love is these हासलीज जो अलग अलग पैटर्न्स में है. इफ यू वांट समथिंग इन डेलिकेट दे हैव दैट टू. इफ यू वांट समथिंग लाइक दिस एकदम बोहो शीक में देन दे हैव ऑल दोज ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हियर एज वेल. दे ऑल्सो हैव दीज kadas for your vacation, so do visit them. This is brand Ananta Creations and they have brought beautiful options in cotton shirts. આ તમે shirts છે ને vacation wear પર કાં તો પછી even for your work wear if you want to wear something quirky and nice, they have so many options. I love the colors. Look at this, very smart options. Oversized shirts માં એમની પાસે છે. એની સાથે સાથે આટલા બધા કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે અવેલેબલ છે. એની સાથે સાથે they have these અજરક shirts na options. So look at that. They have nice options in colors, patterns, designs. So you will find everything here. Look at that. થોડું તમને free easy smart designs છે. Look at that. Summers માટે, vacation માટે you can wear all these options. Along with that, if you want something like this, થોડું front knot માં અને એવી stylish options છે. So it will look very good on you if you're going on a vacation or something. એની સાથે સાથે એની પાસે cotton માં બી એટલા જ options છે. Look at that. Nice.
Hi friends, this is Purvi from Studio Tula. આજે મારું સમરનું લાસ્ટ એક્ઝિબિશન છે. So we are offering 10% discount
Okay.
on entire collection.
All right.
And so you can just go through that reel and you can show us and get additional total cotton collection
Okay.
in multiple summery colors.
Lovely.
One piece
Okay. All right.
loose fit top with the pants.
Okay.
I have multiple options in the tops,
Lovely.
multiple colors. So you
Nice.
can pair up with something like this.
Right, very smart look. Perfect for summers. Look at that.
And I also have kaftan with pants.
Okay. So ma'am has kaftan with pants also. Okay.
And also I have some linen tops,
Okay.
some south cotton top,
All right.
some jaipuri print,
Nice.
and some kala cotton.
Beautiful.
Hi, my brand name is Genial's Couture. આ બધી ન્યૂ પ્રિન્ટ છે.
આ પહેર્યું છે ને એમાં બીજી ડિઝાઇન છે, બેકમાં પણ છે, આમાં પણ છે બેકમાં.
આ બધી ઓલ્ડ પ્રિન્ટમાં ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ છે. વન પીસ છે, સ્કર્ટ અને શર્ટ છે.
યલો એન્ડ પર્પલ.
ઓનલી શર્ટ. આમાં બધા જ કલર કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ જશે.